Get you go call the BBC too. You want come now? I need some air. Hey, put it down, put it down, put it down. Hey, where's to us? I did not see it going wild. Yeah, me too. Hey guys, do you want to go to the playground? Good, let's go. It's time for Chaos Day. I'm with KJ, and you guys, the grass walks. Call with me. So the grass is organized. So everyone said, so Green head and AVP head. And then Candace is AVP head. No! Goodbye. Alright, it's time to go the next challenge. You just to name pizza. Go! Okay guys, we watched it, so now we had to win again. I don't know if we can win again. Trust the answer says we can do this. Well, okay guys. Hey guys, happy was going to downloads. Can have so many pizzas. Maybe we will get a pepperoni pizza. And we will get we come on try it. Oh, you're right, Pierre. Let's go. We are here. Let's go inside. Oh, guys, let's make some pizza. But how are we going to make a pizza? Well, it was just that pizza. Okay, yeah. Well, I got one here. ABC, Wimmy. Two was a was. But no, you're not with me. Well, how about guess another one? What? Get the cat. Cat doesn't have to make a pizza. Well, I need a quiz go to a kilos pizza. No, ABC. We need to make a pizza, or else we go to what's the always again. Well, last time, I think we watched the challenge. He's right. We're to make a pizza. No, two is a kilos pizza. Now you got ABC. Yes, I got now. Good. Now we go to Pizza Hut. We are here. Now let's go inside. Okay? Okay. Where is the pizza? Where's up? Oh, what do you want? Get this two is a kilos pizza. Okay. Where is? Here you go. Two is a kilos pizza. Have a good Chaza. Where's the how your pizza have been taste? We need some pepperoni pizza, and with it because guess it, I had to come on. Who niggas us? It was so tasty. Guess I want to hear say who what do they get Gwen says? We need two the cute pizza. Do you want? No, I don't want. You know this get glasses. It's organized again. Da da da. So please go now. See you way soon. Hey guys, it's I cannot bring we the challenge. Yeah, I just can't get we on last time because we went again. Like the glasses has was it as if we now as a go. I can't believe we're not coming in. Well, I guess we go to sit down. Wait, how about let's go to the playground. Go on, dear. Emma, let's go. Yay! Hey guys, come on here. Guess what? Yeah, we go on, comment, and subscribe. Come on, guys, you can see. And say to go back. See you guys soon.